which expression is equivalent to the expression we have over here. In the given answer choices, we have to find the expression that is equivalent to the expression over here. For that, we have to simplify the given expression. Okay, let me do it. That is y positive 12 over x negative 8 positive y times x negative 8. Now, let's factor this expression. For that, we have to get the greatest common divisor of the two terms over here. The greatest common divisor is x times y. So we can factor x times y out. Now to get the stuff inside the parenthesis, we have to divide both the terms by the one I factored out, that is x times y. When I divide this x square y by this xy, I am getting x. When I divide this negative 8xy by this xy, I am getting a negative 8. Now, to add these two fractions, I need to have the same denominator. Now, to get the same denominator, we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator of the first fraction by xy. Let me do it. xy times y positive 12 over xy times x negative 8 positive y times x negative 8 divided by xy times x negative 8. Here we have the same denominator for both the fractions. So we can take xy times x negative 8 as a common denominator. Let me do it. That is xy times x negative 8. Now let's add the two numerators. Then we have xy times y positive 12 positive y times x negative 8. Okay, now we can distribute this xy to this y and positive 12. Then we get xy square positive 12xy. We can distribute this positive y to this x and negative 8. Then I am getting positive yx, or it can be written as xy, negative 8y. In denominator, we can distribute this xy to this x and negative 8. Then I am getting x square y negative 8xy. Okay, xy square. We can combine the two like terms we have over here because both the terms contain xy. When I combine this positive 12xy and positive 1xy, I am getting positive 13xy. Then we have negative 8y. In denominator, we have x square y negative 8xy. That's all the simplification we can do in the given expression. So I got the simplified form of the given expression. Okay, in the given answer choices, I find this one in answer choice C. So the correct answer choice for this question is C.